how to do sponsored ads on Instagram. So if you want to run an ad campaign on Instagram, it's actually quite simple for us to do so. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you'd like to do sponsored ads on Instagram, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. Now, sponsored ad basically means that you want to run an ad campaign for a certain post. Now before you do this, I would recommend that if you can, try to switch your account to a professional account. Once you switch your account to a professional account, go to the post that you want to boost or run an ad for. And then beneath every post, if you have a professional account, you'll find the Boost Post button. Tap on the Boost Post button there, and on the next page, you'll be able to fill in the required details. So let's just wait until this is loaded up. Here, it will ask you for the goal of your boost, whether it is for profile visits, website visits, messages, or optimized mix of goals. You can select that. Once you've done that, tap on the next option. How do you want to see your ad? You want to see it as a special ad category and select those categories, or you can select an audience and create your own audience, by the way, and you can choose a suggested audience as well and tap on next. You can choose your daily budget ranging from, let's say, $1 a day to $1,000 to $2,000 a day. So based on what kind of budget you have, you can select that. Then you can run the ad until you pause it, or you can set a duration. You can see your ad budget, then tap on the next option. On the next page, you can add a payment method. You will see the preview of your ad and every details after you confirm it. You can tap the Boost Post option to boost and run the sponsored ad. This way you'll be able to do sponsored ads on Instagram. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.